that to make a 7. Right? How do you know that this is the right way? Well, my question is, honey, your 2 is okay. I'm just wondering, how did you know that it goes this way?
Hey, Abby.
And how did you know that this goes this way?
Abby, will you?
You already know your numbers? Okay. So, can you point to the numbers just right here and across here and say it for me? Do you remember the question that Mrs. Stahl asked at the beginning of the lesson? Up on the board. Do you remember what it said? What does it say? All right, let's go see. Come on. Right. It says, how can we make sure we are writing the numbers the right way? Do you know what that means, the right way? Let's go check yours. Okay. Look at good, Valerie. All right, is this one the right way? 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 How do you know this one is the right way? Huh? Are you sure? How could you check? How could you check this number to make sure it's the right way? How do you know? All right, try flipping it over. That's your idea. Okay, what do you think? Does it look better this way or the other way? This way? Why does this look better? Just feels better? What else could you do to check to make sure if it's right or not? Is there some place you could look? Where could you look? Okay.
This is all I done. Right.
Okay. Check the next one. Alright, now you're really doing a good job here. Checking it out. Got it. You've got something to look at, don't you? Do you think you could remember that after our lesson is over? We go back to fix up the charts? Is that something you could tell the class? Bodies and chairs. 3, 2, 1, freeze. Now listen, this is the circle you're going to make. Those kids are going to go this way. You kids are coming over here. You guys are going to this table and you girls are going to that table. Okay? Carefully walk to your next table.
Okay.
Jessie, you're over here now. Jessie, you're over here now. What do you think you could do with these guys? Can you put them in order? Can you find a number 1?
Where's my punch?
Find a 1.
Hey, where's my punch?
Okay, where does the 1 go, Bobby?
Where's my punch?
Where does the 1 go? All right, what comes after that?
4. Oh, wait a minute. He's not sharing like this.
In the middle. What number are you guys looking for?
This is 5.
Yep, you're right. That's 5. Why don't you put it somewhere so we
We're
can
trying
use
to
it?
look for 16.
Honey, what comes after 1 when you're counting?
16.
Here we go. You're right. Here, Sean. You don't have a number 2, but what could you do about that? Here, buddy. I got one for you. Okay. Is that right? What do you think? Does this look right? How could you make sure that this is the right way? Look at that number. Look at that number. It's a number 2. Is that what it's supposed to look like? How could you check? Where could you check? Could you look around? All right, that's a good thing you tried there. Does that fix it into a number 2? Look on here. We need a 3 next. Can you find a 3? Come on over. Can you help your friend with that second number there? Can you help him with this, Trayshawn? Look at this number. Can you help him with that?
I got it.
Oh, what happened? What'd you have to do with it? Flip it over. Okay.
Where's 4?
All right. All right.
2, 3,
Here we go.
5,
Is this right?
7, and then we all 16. We need a 5. 10. And we need a 6. No, that's supposed to be upside down like this. And then 7.
Oh, Bobby, how did you know you needed to flip it over? Did you kind of remember from the other number that you had to do that? Okay, how do you know which way it goes, Trayshawn?
Teacher already did it.
How could you check? Is there something
Jesse, Jesse, do it again.
to see?
Already did it.
Do it again.
Already did it.
Come over here, Jesse. Very good. Yes. Do those now.
Where's 10? Teacher, where's 10?
Bobby, can you check this one for me?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh wait, this is one.
How does it go?
20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. I'll do one. 8, so we need 7.
Can you make a 4 for me on there?
I'll make
With your finger? No, not, just with your finger. You do it, Trayshawn. How do you make it? Okay, now check it with this 4. Does that seem like, is that how you make it? How do you do a 4? Down, over, and down some more.
No, this is not 4.
Except, which way are you facing?
This
You
way.
come over and face this way.
Because the
Which way
4
should
is
it go?
supposed to be turned over.
Oh, how did you know that?
Because the 4 is supposed to be on this side.
Did it help you when you made the number on the table?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was one way to help you know which way it goes.
We need 6.
Where could you check? Is there a place in the room that had numbers you could look at?
I found it. This one.
Okay, which way?
Watch out.
Good job matching it. Good job. Bodies and chairs.
We're switching.
3, 2, 1, freeze. I'm looking at how frozen you are. And Elsa. All right. You know which way you're going. Point to the table you're going to. All right, go quietly to that table. Slide over. What number is this?
I'm doing this one.
Is there a number 1? Okay. You want to put that here?
Can I use the two? Can I use the
Now what do we need to do?
Can I use the two? We don't got it. Now we can.
Oh, they don't have the little ones.
We have to make it 3, right?
Just look all through.
Now we need a 4. Now we need this one. Right here. Right here,
Start from the beginning. Start from the beginning. Figure it out.
We got 3. 5. It's 5. This is 5.
A spoon goes around to mix. That's the way to make a spoon.
Let's go. Let's go. 8 to 2 goes right here.
Okay, there's a red one. Where's the red numbers like this? There's a 1 over here somewhere. This one's a better one because it's a little bit tinier. You're going to use that one. Okay.
What are the 7
Should we put this like this? White on the other side anyway.
We need a 6. No, that works.